Merry Magic, written by Teacher Brenda, images by Mushka, for Cefr level A1. Up in the North Pole so bright, Santa's village was full of light. The little elves say hi to you tonight. They are busy getting all the toys just right. Look in the shop at the elves. They make and place toys on the shelves. Put a toy in the box with your hand. Put a bow on top, and it looks so grand. Can you help the little elf Lee place all of the gifts around the tree? The elves take their decorations one by one. They decorate the house and have fun. Santa goes to check on his sleigh. It is ready and soon will be on its way. Outside is the soft white snow. Santa says, "Ho, ho, ho, it's almost time to go." The elves put the presents in the sleigh and cheer. They are so happy that Christmas is near. Santa is in his sleigh. The stars in the sky guide his way. Santa goes house to house. He puts the presents under the tree. He's as quiet as a mouse. The family is around the tree. They open the presents and shout with glee.